Today I'm going to be fighting my dog, facing my fears. Okay, listen to me. And hey, listen, go on to Braden's YouTube channel, Yeah, go subscribe to him. He's a great YouTuber. Go subscribe to him right now. Go and subscribe to him right now. Braden's YouTube channel, with him and then the Celtic badge behind him. That's him. Yeah. Go subscribe to him right now. I'm honestly not joking. But I'm gonna be playing wrestling match with my dog. Are you up? You ready? Yeah, you can't really see him. Here's his tail. Oh, don't listen. There. Here he is. Right, let me fight. Okay, stop. Oh my god. I'm attacking him. He just headbutted me! Oh my god! He's over me! Oh my god. Oh my god, okay. Get away. No. Jesus. My dog's good at fighting. Okay. Go subscribe to Braden right now. I'll give a shout out to Braden. He's a great YouTuber, absolutely brilliant YouTuber, Braden. Just go and subscribe and like to all of his videos. He makes daily content and he's a great YouTuber, so there. Make sure to like and subscribe to me and him. Hey, come on! Oh my god, oh! Get yeet! If you're asking what that is, that's a Huggy Wuggy. Okay. Dog wants to fight with me. I'm going to take him out. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Only 5 seconds. Right. I think I just broke my leg. Oh my god, guys, I need help. Call the ambulance. My dog's letting me. No wonder. He's massive. That is him, man. Look at that, man. His paws are bigger than usual. We're in the dark. Playing my PlayStation. That's him right there. He's my friend. Probably best footballer. Well, not footballer, goalkeeper in the school, in my opinion. Great goalkeeper. Absolutely brilliant. Ready to beat this noob. I shouldn't have said that. Help! No, guys, please, call an ambulance. My dog's gonna deck me in like 5 seconds. Huggy Wuggy, beat him up! Oh, okay, he just absolutely destroyed Huggy Wuggy. I'm throwing him! I think I've broke every single bone in my body except for my arm. This arm's gonna be the only thing that keeps me. I gotta win this wrestling fight. I just broke every single bone in my body. Make sure the like and subscribe. My dog's here to get me then.